spec in every aspect. Ankle spec, toe spec, knee spec up to your neck. My Lord and Empress, give thanks and greetings, good night. You know, tonight beautiful and nice and everybody have all our vibes. I'm Mr. Rasta at the place, Mr. Enough Empress. Some man sit down, Mr. My virgin Jamaican. Big up Jamaican. Saying, far where I come from. Manage, gotcha. Holy man will I still say I King him and them when they set it to ya. This is LUTAN FYAH, can you back a failures? You know sweet boy. Well, still I say I mightier than them all. Right away. Let's rise and all this scatter. It and sacrifices warrior. This is LUTAN FYAH. Sing a say, little child no wonder. Oh, style. Well, still I say I mightier than them all. And whosoever find the king shall fall. Him and the world mightier than them all. Ain't none of them can go round and stall. Black Marcus is mightier than them all. Hey, one thing, and it's one most all. Hey, now seen a Tuesday. But I love Rastafari, I said, sure. Hey, I said, no for them, but want some grounds. Now run for spans off them face and kick them down a bum. When them see giving them and tell them not found. I am me, tell them to get out of town. Here they still see him wear them triple crown. Hey, dude, get away. Play me low. Play me low. I said, my Lord and Empress, I mean, big up the woman them and I mean, big up the man them. Saying, you know, so I come from a cultural background, Jamaica call it Rastafari. Here Selassie is the Almighty. Here Selassie is the Almighty. Saying, give thanks and praises, oh yeah. Well, if them can't believe, man, I say Rastafari now. Them get weak in their knees. Well, if them can't believe, my laps are go and I can see it in them. You know that tune, yeah? I know vex them, vex, I just surprise them, then realize. Look, see if it yes, them around. Play me low, play me low, play me low. Rastaman go yell King Selassie and trample the beast. Them Eden will never live in peace. Hey, you better boss now. Hey, I preach. You know see it. Sure, you see the natty with him, yo. Hey, Selassie I mightier than them all. And whosoever fight the king shall fall. Emmanuel mightier than them. Play me low. We're living in a time where anything goes. Can't know your friend, them different from foes. And it's a crazy world where no one knows. You matter your time, no. In San Diego de la Vega, man walk the street with guns load, hustling food to put them out. De la Vega. Next track. Holy Emmanuel I Selassie. How you feel, my people? Give thanks. I want to make up all of the hell of them in the place. Marijuana. Yes, I got a boom jar herb, some west. Cocos bag of weed. When I great says, Jem cigar, liquor like about cigarette. Knock about to me, Charlie. You don't see it. Oh, yes. Nothing so nice like a sweet tail. Pull up. Selassie. You don't know. Big up yourself, Singer J. Enough respect to all of my brethren, them and my sisters, them in the place. Selassie. Hey. I got a boom jar herb, some west. Cocos bag of weed, and the high grade says 10 cigar, liquor like about cigarette. No grab to me, Charles. You know see it. Nothing nice like a split tail. Early in the morning. Nothing nice like a split tail. Listen. Alright, keep on but the ashtray search the window pane. Don't let the cupboard feed the crumbs any side. Tear down the kitchen man, you should have seen me face. We get a draw before the sun rays. Some split tail together. As early as my white neighbor long up them nose. Aroma was great. Just cross the fence and set them well water. Me give them in a breakfast. In my kitchen. Coconut boiled down to custard. I got sense of me in your breakfast. You know that tune, yeah? Oh yes, nothing no nice like a sweet tail. Oh yeah, stop it. Nothing no nice like a sweet tail. Play me up. You know see it? This Rasta Rasta smoke a lot, can't get enough of the weed. Me over frost. Vitalist make out a coconut. The Westmoreland green, the lotus. See the Rasta leper. On the studio on the Californian green grow and the lap. After my belly flip straight to sleep me drop. In the morning me wake me go light it back. In my kitchen, you cannot wait down to custard. Pull up. How you feeling? Give thanks, my Lord and Empress. Rasta reggae music. Hey, we call her when the boss man. You don't know. Big up Jamaican. Say, me need a little piece of food figure masha works. What make it rather worse? The partner when me throw the bank around the purse. Jah know it hurts. Hey, you boss man, give me when me come from. Stop beat around the bush. You know see me frustrated and the mute I get the younger. And he no stay like, oh we look. You boss man, give me when me come from. Stop beat around the bush. You know see me frustrated, man frustrated. You can't mix my lad. Me now stretch me hands out, me no hand out, me no come here fit out. You know see say this a doubt. The youths them need food to them out. Too much hungry belly picking in them out. Me tell that the serious, I want the right amount. You boss man, give me my mask man. When you get my cross man, stop treat the youths like half and who you wash your walk man. Man I walk in a home. Hey, you boss man, give me where me come from. Stop beat around the bush. Pull up. Holy Manuel I Selassie, JAH, Rastafari, enough respect. Yeah, Robert Up Thursday, the LUTAN FYAH. Run it off, next track. What a piece of stress. Hold on. You hear me call Jamaican name loud a while ago. Listen, Jamaican, I can tell them some things. You know, some left from Spanish town come sit down and studio sing every day. And Jamaican come there Tuesday and carry me go foreign Thursday. All you never know that. So Mason put me on play. Selassie. Yeah. Run it off. It was easy. Give thanks and praise to all them bonafide youths, them with the power. I am Rastafari. Hey, looking at your own mirror. Check yourself now, don't go below. Looking at your own mirror. All of the real virgin and sister in them. I don't need no fake friend. Them the real family. Them are plastic people in a mask. Yes, them are fake friend. Them are gentlemen. Selassie, Johnny, so tell the people them say first class. Them have to fly the first time. Who you play top part I played? We got a foreign go sing with old song and get paid. Looking at your own mirror, yes. Go check yourself now, don't go below. Oh yeah, looking at your own mirror. Hey, LUTAN FYAH, oh yeah. I don't need no fake friend. Them the real family. Them are plastic people in a mask. Yes, them are fake friend. Them not just doing at all. It's a fall, them see them and a laugh. Hey, so you think them a watch, but them can't get it on with them back. This the whole house, broke down on it. Fake friend. But you know, so you realize you're virgin them iris. Say, whoa! Don't take no program, do not make them boost you. Cause them only intention is to use you. Tricks and lies are trying to confuse you. Rather worse, them love to carry news too. I know mistrust them, but them no cool. Hey, me see them losing and the vanity, that's why them pound cool. Them said them got to back, but that not true. Turn around, say chat them while you meet your Waterloo. Hey, them are fake friend, no real family not. Them are plastic people in a mask. I no need no. Why, you know see it. They say that things them a watch, but them can't get it from in them back. This the whole house broke down on it. Fake friend. Say them a fake friend. No carbon copy, me no want on me team. No plastic smile, not a backdoor deal. No compromise, no age conceal. Oh yeah. Then me not trust them anymore. shut the door. Why not be with that press the button name ignore? If you give them 99 times, them still want more. Hey, them up. Them not real from in a ass. Them a plastic people in a mask. How you feeling? Holy Manuel I Selassie. Next track. Well, this one is originally done by Right Honorable Baba Handy. So LUTAN FYAH come and sing a J thing. I have to sing that tune, yeah. Yeah, we call this one Rasta Reggae music, you know. Hey, hey. You know, see it. I never heard a music so sweet. I repeat, it's the heartbeat, like Rasta Reggae music. You know, see it, boy. I never heard a music so sweet. I repeat, it's the heartbeat, like Rasta Reggae music. Boy, boy, boy. It's a Rasta Reggae music. Rasta Reggae music. Originally done by Baba, you know. You know, see it. All who can't hear will feel. You know, see it. All who can't hear will feel. Hey, Baba, let them don't steal this Rasta Reggae music. Big up yourself, singer Jay. Selassie, all who can't hear will feel. They can borrow, but tell them don't steal this Rasta Reggae music. Rasta Reggae music. Rasta Reggae music. Oh yeah, Rasta Reggae music. Reggae music. Listen, you know see it. Skia and so on rock steady. Our history preserve the dignity of this Rasta Reggae music. You know see it. Oh Skia and so on rock steady. Our history preserve the dignity of this Rasta Reggae music. Jamaica. Rasta Reggae music. You know see it, I sing a day, say Rasta Reggae music. Pull up. Selassie, how you feel my people? You don't know. You know what to? You know I hears me in Jamaica sing reggae music. And Jamaican come and say I'm so nice and put me up on the plane. And I start sing a lot and go everywhere in the world. Me and Mason in Moscow over there, with their St. Petersburg. We don't want to go over Ukraine, you know. But Mason has said about that man over there, you're too brave. What me I try to show you, say, enough you up on the island where I sing some great music and the world love them and them a stream and the fan base big for them, but you're not going to really hear them much from Jamaica. For what reason, I don't know. But me give thanks to a privilege to go out there and sing the reggae music. It alone me do, you know, see it. When I really cross through that act, because be acting, I say, I go on. You see me, I say. So I stay strong for the people, because LUTAN FYAH knows that there's some people out in the world who stay like me. And them a wait for a kind of song. Them don't want to listen to any and anything. You know, see it. So we kind of just stick in the realm there and know, so Rastafari is almighty. The same thing with the long time Rasta, long day dread, them stay so, the people call green. Them, where them a say, me a say, Africa, I wait, I and I. You know, see. And I know say, who follow the thing and no shift. No one go on the continent of Africa right now. We not have to come discuss and lecture. But we love what go on. And we say, give thanks to everyone who turn out. Rubber Up Tuesday. And straight to sing a J thing. I go with a long time way in the road and walk up and down. From walk up, drive up, run up till you drive car, go up and play. So big up is a hard work and it's a system when a favor some way. Give me an next show. So let's say, yo! Enough respect in every aspect. Uncle spec to a spec up to your neck. LUTAN FYAH upon your back of failure. We call this one perfect storm, you know. Yeah. Hey, 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 whoa, 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 whoa. King Rastafari, all things rise and passed away. And just the flow of life and change exists that day. And while I resist to conform, still I see bring a perfect storm. Perfect storm. I bring a perfect storm. You know see it? Perfect storm. Still I see bring a perfect storm. Just another chaos to awaken us. You we have to let go Babylon is a must. I cast a living gun contagious. We need a change, and it is up to us. Pick up the Rasta man, no labor for this. As the word of King Selassie said, fit is of the fit. Some pretend to pay attention, slide and sleep, but I will give them a good advice. Hey, in a perfect storm, boy, Rasta man say perfect storm. How you feeling? Perfect storm, yeah. And I bring a perfect storm. Same young, same old. Same young, same old. Same young, same old. Them face cold. For man will think as he's told. Searching for a sense of life to save his own soul. Cleansing a fire, renewed fine gold. Throughout the tribulation, still I will the one I mean I see where the boss is slave gone. Boy, the fittest of the fittest, say strong in a perfect storm. Yeah, I bring a perfect storm. Lord, perfect storm. Biggie man, I bring a perfect storm. Hey, how you feeling? You have to cool try the reggae. You don't see it. Hey, signs of the time. Some man stay beyond time. Hey, some born to live, some live to die. Just like hello, goodbye. We come, we go, we go, we come, go, yeah. Earth, sea and sky. We come, we go, yeah. We go, we come, oh, yeah. You know see it. Hey, while we eat and we skip and we span the possibility. Scattered all with chances of the connectivity. Procrastinating all the while. Then we sit and we feel and the feeling of insufficiency. With a slip on the lip and boom draw sense. Harvest is few but the reapers are plenty. Sit around and ignore the opportunity. In a perfect storm, I bring a perfect Lord, perfect storm. Bingy man, I bring a perfect storm. You know see it, perfect storm. Play me low. In a perfect storm, yeah. Alright, perfect storm. Bingy man, I bring a perfect storm. You know see it. And I want to fool. If I really love to know it must come. No escape for those who come faking. On them up just fun. Them and the daddy them a keep up falling. Rasta the realest and the last one try take my job to style up my bone. Feel like we try for my gun. It's a good thing the Rasta got stamina. This time we not go back home. Them know me come fit and long in ya. Never know none of them tongue. If you pick them time for stigmatize, I try bring me down. In a perfect storm, yeah. Next shock. Holy Emmanuel, I Selassie. Yeah, give thanks. Pull up. Jah love Jamaica, you know. Our Empress tell me this night that Jamaica is another spaceship. You say, what? But at the same time, we spend 2 years in a pandemic as a broke country. And we rise up above that and we still up in our old vibes. You see me, I say, and we know all of the lies and we know the truth as yard people and we still have stand up. And but I watch how some man start behave like your sister. And I don't mean them funny and them just go on like them have some traits way. And my mother say so. Nobody watch that. Stand up as man. Because man still in Jamaica. Selassie. That's why most of women they now no man. Because them with some boy will come like them sister. Can't even get that. Ask them, see them. Run an extra cool, Emmanuel I Selassie. Hey, 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 hey. This is LUTAN FYAH upon your battlefield. Give thanks and praises for ya. Let the Most High name be praised. Reason of strength He gave us length of days. Sing a tale. You know see it. Hey, say don't be ungrateful. The love for you is kind. Hey, live and be faithful. Get this in your mind. Then alright, don't be ungrateful. That love for you is kind. Even though man tried it in a test of time, walk straight on the white. Hey, say nothing don't come easy. Life is unpredictable. You later secure yourself before you get in a trouble. Accumulate the wealth, do your flat foot hustle and with time never go through the needle. Every day you're working hard, and sometimes you fail. Remember, failure is a way to prevail. Hey, keep on striving and conquer your fear. Hey, say don't be ungrateful. That love for you is kind. Lord, live and be faithful. Get this in your mind. Then alright, don't be ungrateful. That love for you is kind. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Even though man tried it in a test of time. In a test of time, in a pretty out there, in a everything just improvise. Give thanks to the little to provide. Take what is rightfully yours, we don't compromise. This world is full of tricks and bribe. What no concern, you just leave it. And what is for Caesar, make him keep it. Your skills and your talent is your best kept secret. Don't be ungrateful, that love for you is kind. How you feeling? Live and be faithful. Get this in your mind. Then alright, don't be ungrateful. That love for you is kind. Even though man tried it in a test of time. Pull up. Give thanks to people, sing a J. Enough respect for having LUTAN FYAH. We sing miles of songs, like about 20 of the album, and a few little show me get to sing on the island. Yeah. When I come all right, so I even remember me song them, brethren. You see?
Yeah, Yo, brother. Now the last time I see a wet like this, I want concert me I watch somewhere there. In our world, that's what you say now when we do it in Jamaica. And we have a platform on the internet, no one will see it, you know. See? There's so much great music the man sing a while ago what the man said. You don't remember some of the songs them cause only we keep the regular show them go here on the call and the friend them everybody will fill up down front.
Please don't go there.
No, me I go there, you can't tell me where me if you go. Because any Jews who pay me pay the same thing too. And when me I walk a arrows, no disrespect, me still never say them time they don't talk. See, so you must know how long me I walk about some my foot. The first time me get 1,000 of your dub plate, I walk from Crossroad to Windward Road, LUTAN. Walk. Real walk. Like walk. And when I forward Gemini give me 2 grand and I get English grant, I mean take grant. That's all we get. So we have to talk, as if we don't talk, they wouldn't know. Right. And it's not everybody see it neither. Right. You do it, brother. Can somebody say? Can somebody say? Can somebody say? LUTAN, you want to song man?
Alright, run the last track. Selassie. Yeah. I want a kind of dramatic. Hey. I see the Rasta man roll out with big spliff and him impressed beside him. Boy. It's a party, yes. Everybody rock and come in here tonight. Reggae magical party, yes. Big sound sing up, man and woman lock down. It's a party. Now let me never tell you that this stop by promoter. Let's see the girl them in ya. I make me party like we catch fever. Tonight I got my bed, me have to touch many days. Last night me make a chat go to a dancehall here. Beanie bound to who just is a slang go was here. Dancehall upon, and that me want here. Elephant in a Saxon football here. Me skip tip on a 10 speed look like a teddy bear. Put on the cola belts and no princess reindeer. In a high heels cut bottom, rustle it on the ear. Yannick she dress up in a slip and brassiere. And I say she can't find the dress she want wear. Yeah. It's a party, yes. Everybody rock and come in here tonight. Reggae. Big sound sing up, man and woman lock down. It's up. Play me low. And anything you say, I do something what you do. You can't get a girl if she don't want you. It don't make sense you fuss and fight and argue over something when it belongs to you. I mean, yo, what's the style where you shot? For call the girl them work one like them at. Just a minute when you want her to stop. That time we want her half and over chat. Sexy, she will look round and grin. Bust a smile and keep walking. That is embarrassing. She will ask if it's here you're losing. Hello, that get her downfall. We left that for the telephone call. Yush, that a fit the girl where she tabush. Where paper call the rat and not go on like them stush. Aye, that a fit the common put us boy. Where every man from the corner alone. If me forget a girl, me not tell her I'm rich. So me come from Spain, me drive Honda Civic. No, sir, that a foolishness. Well, me left up to the young apprentice. Me say, aye, pretty girl, me smoking boutique. The way you attire shows off your physique. Pelican shit, no white like your teeth. And your ears ring, pretty like Bob Marley Reed. And last night me dream about you in my sleep. Said the two of we locked down tight and I do it. Me make up me face like monkey bar sleep. Me eye up my wife. It's up. Everybody rock and come in here tonight. Reggae-matical party. Oh yeah, reggae-matical party. Pull it up. Pull it up and play it again. Selassie, you gotta play it low, right? Let the most high name be praised. You know me I sing from a little song. Cause we saw one sound in our yard, yeah. I mean I say, chops. Them want know where me live. See when me try, but them don't know where me live, yeah. Everybody want know where me live. Take it and become a central village shop. Take a walk, go to the bus stop. Take the red bus to carry the load on the top. When you reach not the bus, ask him Mad Max and tell him to carry you about the secret spot. In case you don't ask, let me tell you what. Well, I see it at the window, you see them and watch. Make sure you come off at the first bus stop. You go down little further, you see one little shop. Go down further, you see that dirt truck. Now take the dirt truck, go on a hilltop. Right where your man has sell jelly coconut. No go left, no go right, and never that turn back. Go on straight ahead till you reach Panny Flat. When you reach Panny Flat, boy, pop off your knife. Take up a big stone and ready for your fight. Cause some dog down there, then we kill you with fight. Bite out your head side, water if a night. No, take the left, make the post right. Make the post burn at the first stop light. You go see that big store and a height and tight. And a big sign mark, vegetarian the light. And yes, I'm a leave, go down further. Past the ball field, then you cross the gutter. Go down straight ahead, then you reach a center. You go see your high fence with paper wire. No take the way that they wanna danger. You go see your cane piece and a cow pastor. Take the cane piece, go where they shorter you can. Yam sugar cane because them sweet like sugar. And chill for your well and cool off your temper. You go sing one little chat, take you through one river. Go cross in no deep and shallow water. Boom. Then you reach in a De La Vega. Then you ask them for LUTAN FYAH. Boom. Everybody want to know where me live. See when me try but them don't know where me live. Take it ferry come a central village. De La Vega whole iron bridge. Boom. Everybody want to know where me live. Level, chop, cause habit is a ways where everybody have. Everybody, some habit bad. Some make you happy, some make you sad. In a Bellevue like when you get mad. Some man have a habit, love scratch and a grab. Them a dig underneath like them a feel the beat back. Them nah look for money, them nah look for rap. Them a dig and a mess round the crab. You know what kind of habit will make me get dark? It's when a man stand up in a public and it a tear off your nose and him a talk and a laugh and I ignore the issue for the Send past baby mother have a habit, baby father no like. Them always complain when they touch Friday night. Like when they make a money I want drink or red stripe. Them a tell us that the baby want pampers and wipes. Matey have a habit when no man can't take. Them always a try to give you hickey on your neck. And when you refuse them a try hide your crep. And I say the killers through them no want you feel it. If you have a habit, this is no bullshit. Them always a try to show up your ownership. Them want up you up when them see the crowd tick. And I look palm here to you and I kiss off your lip. Deporty, them have a dirty habit. And when them deport, them still a one rich. I want like say, I know dip them get deep. With them one bag of speech and them no have jack ship. Get up for it, them are the next trip. Always a go like them come to visit. You ask them go for it, them everything about it. And them never own a passport nor a damn ticket.
Say flowers. Say flowers! Say flowers! Hey, me DJ, the party down in the watching it. Come in the Lutan. Come in the Lutan, man. Come in the man. Come in the my brother, man. I want you, man. You see that platform here when me build Lutan? All of the man them when me forward and sing the music. When me know them do the greats. Me not be the one to come with no trophy and nothing we are going to strip in. But when the people them outside from the art say flowers, it means so much. Somebody say flowers. Say flowers. Say flowers. Hey, Lutan. Holy Emmanuel, Selassie, JAH, Rastafari. Give thanks for the item for another week. Next week again.